Voice of QueCee representing man. Teino Evans Media. Spain town, yeah, yeah. Yellowstone. Representing Teino Evans Media. Because things rough in a Gideon. Man of his stay strong in a Gideon. Fire burning a Gideon. And though the way seems hard, the way I have stand a strong. Things store off in a Gideon. Still not give up in a Gideon. Well, my foes are like a million strong. Me still not give up, we stand well militant, Teino, yo. Them never know we, no way now. Them swear things so it's up, hey. And when them enemies try to overthrow we, them say they sit now where we draw them. And when we wheel and pop it off, make demons tremble, can't even talk. I just a sweet reggae music, Teino Evans in my job. Because things rough in a Gideon. Man of his stay strong in a Gideon. We are born in a Gideon. And though the way seems hard, we have to stand strong. Because things tower off in a Gideon. Still not give up in a Gideon. Well, my foes are like a million strong. No. Yo, in the Gideon, stepping out militant, ready for your army. You know, say it critical. Warfare is spiritual, manifest in the physical realm. These things are biblical, from analog to digital. Plus the microchip, now with them. One can put up in a field with help politicians, them not give a damn. These are the last days now, Teino Evans Media tell you, oh, because things rough in a Gideon. Man of his stay strong in a Gideon. Fire burn in a Gideon. And though the way seems hard, it's hard. Things store off in a Gideon. Still not give up in a Gideon. Well, my foes are like a million strong, yeah. So we survive in this army youth, you have to stand firm. Have to take heed to the lessons where you learn. You no bother. For surviving this army youth, you have to stand firm. Have to take heed to the lessons where you learn. You no bother falter, watch the bridges where you burn. Have to give thanks as the morning adjourn. So when we're rising at the morning and step out on the scene, heal me hygiene them way have the chalice of steam. I step in at the studio singing sweet melodies. Teino Evans Media come for run in the street. Because things rough, it's rough. Man of his stay strong in a Gideon way. Fire burn in a Gideon. And though the way seems hard, it's hard. Things tower off in a Gideon. Still not give up in a Gideon way. Teino Evans Media, yeah. Hey, I said fi rock and come in, yeah. Rock and come on, yeah. Teino Evans Media, Teino Evans Media. Hey, this is the voice of QueCee representing alongside Teino Evans Media, alongside PHE. And we don't need no PhD because we run the street. Things are rough in a Gideon. Man of his stay strong in a Gideon. Well, fire burn in a Gideon. And then I do it hard. When I give up, no. Squeeze and leave Babylon on them knees. I will say up to an national up it, you know. This one is called Jah Alone. Be released in December, you know. Knock. Jah Alone, you know. Help me out today. I just thought I'd have my way. little bit longer and I'll be fine, yeah. Then on one very lonely day, a strange voice spoke to Teino saying, just speak so stronger, cause you'll be fine. Cause even though I don't know what it's like to be alone, no, without Jaja's love being around. And so we have to sing, Jah, are you alone? You held my hand, lifted me up as we had trod the rocky road. Jah, are you alone? You gave us strength when we was weak. You never let me down, no, no, no. Jah, are you alone? You cared for me when I was down. Jah, are you alone? Me have to say, Teino Evans Media, so speak to my soul today and have mercy, oh Lord, I pray, yeah. A little bit longer and I'll be fine, yeah. I'm an open book today, so just have your way, yeah. A little bit longer and I'll be fine, yeah. Even though I don't know what it's like to be alone, yeah. Without Jaja's love being around. Teino Evans Media, I tell you, say again, Jah, are you alone? You held my hand, lifted me up as I trod the rocky road. Jah, are you alone? You gave me strength when we was weak. You never let me down, no. Jah, are you alone? You cared for me when I was down. Jah, are you alone? Teino, oh, tell him, say, hey, I miss you from when a little youth. Them used to grudge with you with Alex. The for them a follow man style and them no see it's a way flawless. Candy style too tough. Hey, see that shot this Teino. Him a go for the Grammys. So we are gonna work from now, put in the work, cause I know we gonna make it. Teino Evans, him on him way for greatness. We born with hatred and kick with fakeness. This is where we have to tell you a sing again. Jah, are you alone? You held my hands, lifted me up as I had trod the rocky road, yeah. Jah, are you alone? You gave me strength when I was weak. You never let me down, no. Jah, are you alone? You cared for me when I was down. Jah, are you alone? Me have to say, no. Jah, are you alone? You held my hand, lifted me up as I had trod the rocky road. Jah, are you alone? You gave me strength when I was weak. You never let me down, Teino Evans. Jah, are you alone? You cared for me when I was down. Jah, are you alone? Jah, are you alone? Yeah. I sing again. Jah, are you alone? You cared for me, yeah. Teino Evans Media. You know what I mean? Rock and Comenia. Squeeze! And leave Babylon on them knees and we say, up it, we not show them no pity. Voice of QueCee representing every time. What's next? I'm next.